Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil SOFTEK. In this video, I am going to tell you about the offset option. तो चलिए हम लोग वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो ऑफसेट ऑप्शन बताने से पहले चलिए हम लोग कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स को क्रिएट कर लेते हैं। लेट्स टेक अ लाइन। Now again, let's draw some other object. So here I am taking it a circle. Now let's see the offset option. Here you can see that it is asking for specify the offset distance, and I am taking it 12 feet. Now select the object and you can put the object above and below the reference line, but in which direction you want your line. So just click over in that direction. Now I am selecting this line and I want to keep it in the right direction, so I am placing my cursor in the right direction. And let's see how we will offset the circle. Select the object and you can see that we have offset the object. So in this manner you can offset the object. Now let's talk about the keyboard command. And the keyboard command is O, then press enter. Here it is asking for the offset distance, but I want to tell you the second option for doing the offset. So the second method is with the help of through you can offset the object. So let's click over the through. Now it is asking for select the object to offset. So I am selecting this one and you can drag the line and provide the distance. So here I am providing 5 feet. In this manner you can drag the line right or left from the reference point or reference line. Select the object and you can create the object. Let's talk about the location for the offset option. So from the modified menu bar, you will get the offset option, and in the ribbon bar, you will get it. And the third location is in the modified toolbar. So this is for all today. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe to my channel Civil SOFTEK and like, share and do comments in the comment section. We are going to meet in the next videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.